Hi guys, I was gifted from the seller this drywall patch kit so I could show you how great it is. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So you have the tube of the drywall patch. It says just to kind of mend this and shake it up so it doesn't, it can get mixed up just a little bit. It also comes with a scraper, which is right here, a little baby scraper. And it comes with a piece of sandpaper, I believe. Let's see if I can get it out this small box. There it is. Nice little sandpaper. So, and what do we got here? Got some operating instructions. So the first thing you need to do is clean the surface. Second thing, squeeze the spackle to the required place. And then use the scraper to smooth it. And then after drying, lightly sand flat with a sandpaper. Well, that's pretty easy. Even I can do that. So it does come with a little, if you need to get in a small place, it has a little tip there. I got a couple holes up here. I don't know if you can see them. We got some nail holes right here that I'm going to patch with these. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You guys can watch, and then I'll show you how it works. It has a little seal cap on it. All right, so I just applied a little amount there, and now I'm going to use the scraper to smooth it in. Well, that looks good. You can't even tell there's a hole there anymore. If you guys need a drywall patch, this is extremely easy to use. And as you can see, I just filled 2 little holes in no time. So if you guys need some drywall patch, get it. Thanks.